Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber back with another plan with me. I know I'm a little late. For some reason, I've been doing these on Wednesdays. I need to get it together, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. This was one of my clearance planners. I actually made these covers. I wanted to do something more for me. I didn't really care for the one that came on it. You know, I love lashes and lip gloss and mascara, so that was me. And then I made this little dashboard here. I just have a picture of Lakin and Ellie from Christmas almost 2 years ago at this point. And then this was my monthly budget layout I created and another little dashboard. So I just laid out all my bills due for the month. I like to write them out. And then to the left, I have a whole list of my income that we have for the month, all of the bills, the totals, and all of that good stuff of what's laid out. This is what I do every month. And then I kind of just go weekly as well into like what my weekly allowance is. And then those were some previous layouts for the last 2 weeks. And then this is the layout I'm gonna work with this week. I already got my washi down. Since it is Valentine's Day week, I'm gonna go with pink and gold. You guys know I love golds. I'm loving it. So I decided to just kind of go more in that color scheme. I didn't want to go full out Valentine's Day. So if you came for some planning motivation, you came to the right spot. I've been loving the feedback that I've been getting on these videos. And as far as inspiring other girls to get into the planner world, it's such a good outlet for me at least, and it's a good stress reliever. So it makes me really excited to like hear that you guys enjoy these videos and that I'm like inspiring other ones to get started. So these are some of the stickers I'm going to use. I'm going to keep it simple. Like I said, I'm just going to try to stick with the pinks and the golds, and these were the books that I'm going to use. So stay tuned. Let's see how it all comes together. I also want to let you guys know I'm not going to like write out what I got going on for the full week. I will write in like some bills that are due for this week, but other than that, I'm just going to show you guys just the layout setup for this week because I did more so plan in my mini for this week. So keep on watching and get some planning motivation. So I've also been having a little plan of doing like a subscribers choose my layouts. I thought it would be really fun. I don't have it set in stone. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to do it. But let me know in the comments, would you guys like to like kind of choose my layout, like whether it's the stickers, the color schemes? I think I'm gonna probably incorporate Instagram and like my community tab to keep you guys involved and to let you guys choose like what you guys think I should use. I don't know, we'll see. Stay tuned. I'm thinking it's something I'm for sure gonna do because it sounds like fun and I think would be a good way to get engaged and to kind of see some of your guys' creativity as well. Go ahead and use these stickers out of the budget extension pack by Happy Planner, of course. And I like to do this to keep track of my weekly expenses. Hence in the corner over there, you can see that I have like a weekly expense tracker. So I like to use this for each day that I'm spending so I can keep track to make sure I'm not going over my budget for the week. Because as I showed you guys in the beginning, I do lay everything out for the month, but I like to keep everything on track by the week too, since we get paid weekly. That way we know what bills need to be paid by what, etc. So what I love about this weekly expenses sticker, I like it because it keeps track of my spending daily. I've been pretty good about kind of not spending unnecessarily, but this is a good way to keep track of my expenses. So at the end of the week, I can go back and look and see if I spent too much on one day, what did I do, what do I need to fix, etc. This layout is mainly kind of for my budget and like kind of like our finance goals. I use the other portion of my planner at the beginning more so for like my YouTube planning and all of that good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this layout and coming along and seeing my weekly spread for this week. If you enjoy these type of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join my family over here. I do everything. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I'll see you guys in my next video.